Dream of exploring the world while getting paid? Some companies actually fund your travel adventures. Stick around for a 3-minute guide to jobs that'll have you packing your bags. First up, Airbnb. This travel giant gives employees $2,000 0 cents yearly in travel credits to book stays or experiences on their platform. Work remotely as a software engineer or customer support rep and use that credit to crash in a Bali treehouse or a Paris loft. Airbnb's flexible remote roles let you work from almost anywhere. They're hiring now for roles like data analysts. TourRadar, a multi-day tour agency, offers up to $1,800 0 cents in travel credits for employees to explore 40,000 plus adventures worldwide. Imagine hiking an Icelandic volcano, paid for by your boss. Jobs like partnership managers are often remote, so you can plan trips while working from a cafe. TourRadar loves employees who embrace meaningful travel. BambooHR, an HR software company, has a paid vacation policy, $2,000 0 cents annually for flights, hotels, or rentals. Work as a remote payroll manager or software engineer and jet off to a ski lodge or tropical beach. They encourage you to disconnect completely. No work emails on vacay. Check their site for open roles. Want to travel full-time? Become a travel influencer or blogger. Companies like GoPro or tourism boards pay influencers to visit destinations and create content. Build a following, pitch brands, and earn $10,000 0 cents to $20,000 0 cents per project. Start small with a freelance writing course to land gigs. Lastly, Diverbo offers free trips to Spain or Germany for English speakers to teach locals conversation skills. You get free food, lodging, and cultural experiences like tapas nights in exchange for chatting. Perfect for teachers or social butterflies. Apply online, but act fast. Spots fill quick. From Airbnb to Diverbo, these companies make travel part of your paycheck. Ready to live the nomad life? Drop your dream job or destination in the comments, share with your adventure crew, and subscribe for more travel hacks.